Credit cards often get a bad reputation as debt traps, but when used strategically, they can actually save you significant money every month. The key is understanding how to leverage their rewards, benefits, and features to your advantage. Start by choosing the right card for your lifestyle. Analyze your spending habits. Do you spend a lot on groceries, gas, or dining out? There are credit cards tailored to maximize rewards in specific categories, offering up to 5% cash back or generous points for purchases you're already making. The first rule of success is to pay your balance in full each month. This avoids interest charges, which can easily outweigh the benefits of any rewards. By doing this, you essentially gain perks without falling into financial pitfalls. Many credit cards also come with hidden perks you might not be using. For instance, some cards offer price protection, allowing you to claim the difference if an item you bought goes on sale shortly after purchase. Others extend manufacturer warranties on electronics or appliances, saving you the cost of an additional protection plan. Travel rewards cards can also be game changers, providing free checked bags, travel insurance, priority boarding, or even complimentary airport lounge access. Over time, these benefits can add up to hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in savings. Don't overlook sign-up bonuses, which can provide a substantial boost to your finances. Many credit cards offer generous rewards, sometimes worth $500 or more in cash, points, or miles if you meet a specific spending threshold within the first few months. Planning large expenses or consolidating regular spending on one card can help you hit these targets with ease. Zero-interest promotional periods are another powerful tool. These offers allow you to finance big purchases without paying interest for a set period, often 12 to 18 months. However, discipline is essential. Always pay off the balance before the promotional period ends to avoid accruing hefty interest charges. Lastly, keep an eye on fees that can eat into your savings. Some cards charge annual fees that may not be worth it if you're not fully utilizing their benefits. Compare the value of rewards and perks to the cost of the fee. And if it's not a good fit, consider switching to a no annual fee card. Be mindful of late fees, foreign transaction fees, and other charges that could reduce your overall benefit. Credit cards are not just payment tools, they can be powerful allies in saving money and earning rewards when you use them wisely. By tapping into the right cards and maximizing their potential, you'll turn them into an asset rather than a liability.